Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be making corn moimoi. Here is my soak corn. You can use fresh corn, then wash it and blend it. Turn it inside your blender. I soak it for 12 hours. Turn it inside the blender after washing it. You can use any color of corn of your choice. Then I'm going to be adding my pepper, hot pepper, and that long pepper, we call it shombo. Add water that can blend it smoothly. I am actually using my neighbor blender. I borrow her blender to use. You can blend it to be very smooth or how you want it to be, even not too very smooth, but at least smooth. Okay, then I'm going to be adding my crayfish seafood. So I want to blend it together. So after blending it, turn it inside a bowl. And then here is my ugu leaf. I'm going to be using ugu. You can use any vegetable of your choice. Here's my onions, because I like to see onions in food. You can actually blend it together with onions. If you don't like to see onions, add your oil, palm oil. This is actually Igbo traditional food, so I love it. I've always been eating it from people and I love it. So I'm added salt for taste, seasoning cube. Also, there is this thing they add. It looks like meat. I didn't actually see it to buy in the market, although I was in a hurry. So I'm going to be using my nylon bag to tie it. I'm done. I've tied it. So we'll put water that will cook it and put some fire. So it is done after boiling for 45 minutes, 45 to 1 hour, because I use charcoal to cook it. So and your corn mama is ready. It's ready. So but I prefer it like when you sleep over, like the following day. It's sweeter. It's sweeter. So let's eat it hot. So here is this the following day. And this is the best part of the corn moimoi. So would you like to give it a try? Let me hear from the comment section.